Well, hello. I am your lawman, and welcome to my channel, Ask The Lawman. All right, I got a quick answer for a question that I got. And people ask me all the time, okay, this person is stalking. He's stalking me, and what do I need to do? First of all, it's really simple. I would tell them what's the evidence? You have to have evidence before you go before the judge. So that means that you save all your text messages. If you got anything on social media or video, you say that. And then you can go to the courthouse, and once the judge grants you a TPO, which is a temporary restraining order, it is good. You do not need a lawyer to get a TPO. You go down to the courthouse, or whatever is your local courthouse, and ask the people up front, where do you go get a TPO? And then I think it's going to be the probate court. And that judge will grant it. Now, once it's granted, that person that you got the TPO on, once he or she is served, if they contact you by social media, text message, in person, or anything, they will be convicted of aggravated stalking. And they'll go to jail for up to 1 year or more. But it's just a lot of talk about what people need to do. And no, you don't need a lawyer to do that. We carry those out every day. You don't need a lawyer. And the TPO stands for temporary protective order, because it's temporary, because he will have his day in court. He or she will have his day in court. And once y'all go to court and the judge decides that, oh yeah, I've heard her side and his side, and if he goes with it, it will be a permanent protective order. And if he comes within, I think, 500 yards of her, if he show up at her job, if he show up at her house, if he sent her text messages or anything, social media, yeah, he or she is gone. So this is not a long video. I just want to clear something up. And just remember, if you call an officer or a deputy to your house and you ask for the information for a TPO, we're supposed to give it to you. We are not, and we shouldn't give you any legal advice. We give it to you. And if you have the evidence, it's going to be granted, because here's the thing. Just say if a person needs and wants a TPO, but me, the deputy, give them legal advice and tell them, I don't think you need it. And then he or she comes back and do something to you, the county or the city is liable. So it's not our job to give it legal advice. If you ask for the information on the TPO, we're supposed to give it to you. And that'll be up to you and the judge on whether he grants it or not. No lawyer. You don't need a lawyer. I mean, everybody put too much emphasis on lawyers. Lawyers really don't have any power or teeth. You know who does? That judge. And once that judge signs something, me as a deputy has to enforce it. Okay? And I'm going to be back with you soon, but I just want to clear that up. So, and just remember, there's also a crisis line that you can call. Like, a lot of people don't have transportation. You can call the deputies or other officers. You have a crisis line you can call, and they'll help you get the process on. All right? Well, I'm going to be back soon, and I got some good stuff for you, okay? All right, peace and love. And remember, if you have a question, any question, I am your lawman, and you can ask me, and I will have your answer. Peace out.